Hi, this is Al Montero, CEO and founder of RapidStartBusiness.com. I'm an online business coach and mentor. Today I'm going to talk to you about the ingredients that you need to succeed as an online business entrepreneur. Okay, so number one, you need to have self-belief. And what I mean by self-belief is you will come across people who will doubt you, who will ridicule you, who will make fun of you as to what you've gotten yourself into. You need to kind of take a step back and say, while these people do mean good for you because they're family and friends or whatever, you need to determine for yourself and have that, self-belief that you set out to do something because you experienced some challenge in your life, and that is, why you got into this. So it boils down to what was your why. Okay, when I say why, it was in my case, it was I was burnt out as a corporate slave. Okay. I'd been laid off 3 different times, and each time it was, a challenge to get the next gig or next job, and I didn't want to go through that again. So that is why I decided that I wanted to own my own business so that I can control my own destiny. Okay, so again, go back to your why. You might have your own challenges as to why you want to do this. Perhaps it is because you want to stay home to take care of your young ones, or you have a sick member in the family that you need to be around to be able to support them. There are several reasons why you got into this business. So, go back to your why and then reinforce your self-belief as to why you're doing this, and believe in it. Visualize it that you're going to succeed, and trust me, that'll happen if you stay focused. I'll get to that a little bit later, when you talk about the focus aspect. Number 2 is to have a good system, okay, or plug into a good system rather. Now, you don't want to necessarily develop your own system. Yes, you can do that once you have reached a certain level of maturity in your business, and you can develop your own system to come up with the next big thing that will help other people out. That shouldn't be your primary focus right now. Your primary focus right now should be to leverage the system that you have plugged into and continue down that course. Okay, if you do that, you will learn how things happen, and how you need to progress through your business. There's no point in tinkering with the system. I mean, think about it. I just heard this example the other day. I mean, perhaps you can make a better burger than McDonald's, but if you were to take that burger and put it on their menu, do you think it would sell? Highly doubt it. Okay, McDonald's is a system that consistently sells the worst burgers, but guess what? They're still very, very profitable, and they're still in business, right? So, yeah, plug into the system. Number 3 is to have focus. Okay, in this business, I'm sure you've come across lots of different shiny objects, lots of different systems, so you spread yourself very thin. You put money here, you put money there, you're trying this, you're trying that, and you're getting nowhere. You're just going around in circles. Guys, avoid that. Okay, you just need to stay focused on the system that you're plugged into. Go back to your self-belief, your internal whys as to why you got into this business to begin with, and stay focused. As one of the people that I heard in the seminar the other day said, focus stands for follow one course until successful. Trust me, that is very, very apt. Okay, apply those 3 things and you will succeed. So guys, if you found this information useful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to my website. I have a lot of freebies there, free training courses, tools, tips, ebooks, and other webinar material that perhaps can help you out. All right, until then, this is Al Montero saying, go create your dream.